How about a road trip along the west coast of Africa? In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly that. A trip from Senegal all the way to Ivory Coast. 4,000 kilometers, 7 countries, a very interesting part of the world. Follow me. Begin your road trip through West Africa in Senegal's fascinating capital, Dakar. Ngor Beach is a great place to stay while in Dakar. Take the short trip to Ngor Island, it's well worth it. The easiest way to explore West Africa is with a driver and a 4x4. But you should factor in a few breakdowns along the route. Take a boat cruise on the Gambia River. Visit the fascinating stone circles of Wassu. Check out some of the local markets. Crazy. Visit the Kachikally Crocodile Pool. Women who have troubles getting pregnant come here and take a dip in the pool with 70 crocodiles to get pregnant. Gambia's capital, Banjul, should also be on your list. Take a stop in Bissau, the capital of Guinea-Bissau. And further along the way, the beautiful colonial architecture of Bafatá. Sometimes you get very dirty on these trips, and sometimes cars stop moving. Next stop on your trip down south should be Labé, with the most fascinating market I have seen so far. Make sure to visit at least one waterfall while you're in Guinea. Wow, amazing. This trip definitely has a lot of driving. Make sure to take enough stops in beautiful places. Enjoy the bustling vibe of Freetown, Sierra Leone. A walking tour is the best way to discover this fascinating city and to understand its history. Take some time off at one of the fantastic beaches of Sierra Leone. Make sure to check out the jungle. Stop in Liberia's capital, Monrovia, where you can learn a lot about the country's tragic history, but where you can also experience their amazing hospitality. Hotel is a lost place unlike any other you've seen. Take a stop at the biggest church in Africa, arguably the biggest church in the world. It only took them about 10 years to construct this church, and it was about $600 million. It is pretty much a replica of the St. Peter's Dome in Rome. Take a stroll through the fascinating old town of Gambia, Ivory Coast, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So what did you think? I think that if you are ready to spend a lot of time in the car and at the side of the road, this trip is amazing. I enjoyed it a lot. And if you have more time on your hand, you can easily go further south. Benin, Togo, Ghana. And this being said, I say goodbye to you. See you on the next trip. Sunset, I hear you say? There you go.